Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to see what you can do if your Tinder notifications are not working on your Android or your iPhone. So the main reason could be that you might have disabled your notifications, or from the app information or settings the notifications might be off, or you might have accidentally turned them off. Otherwise you should receive the notifications. To check this, what we'll do is we'll go right over here. As you can see, this is the Tinder app icon. You can also open the application from settings. You'll just long press on this, and once you long press you will see the app info option, so you'll click on this. Now after this you will on the top see notifications, and if your notifications are on, it should say allowed and it should have enabled the show notifications option. If it's like this, that means your notifications are off, or they might have been automatically or manually turned off. And simply what you need to do is you need to turn on. You can turn it on and off a couple of times so it just refreshes a bit. And another thing is that you can check if the Tinder message alerts allow sound and vibration or deliver quietly. Deliver quietly means that you'll still receive notifications but you won't hear the sound for it, and allow sound and vibration means that when you get a notification you'll hear a sound with it as well. To go in this more specifically, you can go to notification categories right here. From here you can see specific notification categories, and if any one of these are off you can just turn them on. For example, if new matches or message likes are off, you can just simply turn them on. Of course, if it's off, the sign will be like this, and if you need to turn it on you'll just press on this, and when it's blue that means it's on. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.